Good afternoon, all are welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic Hyderabad, Department of Information Technology. On today's, we will start the practical session, practical number 20, 21, 22 on course that is subject Applied Multimedia Techniques. Here vision mission of department, departmental vision statement to excel in information technology engineering education to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build the professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Here, marks allocation. Here, course outcome. After the completion of this practical, you achieve third CO, that is build website with multimedia contents. Here practical course outcome matrix. In that, on today's practical, we conduct the practical number 20, 21, 22. These are the 20, 21, 22. These are the practicals mapped with third CO. Practical number 20. Practical number 20. Embedded image into a web page. Practical significances of the PO program outcomes: basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experience and practices, engineering tools, individual and teamwork, lifelong learning. Web is a designing web page minimum theoretical background. This is already completed in a unit number 3. These are the practical related questions and an exercise question. In that first question, create the new file notepad, means create the web page and then display the image. Okay, already I am created it in a folder, that image practical. This is the in a note, how to create that code in a notepad. Type that code and save it.html. Okay, these are the DOC type HTML. It's a start tag HTML, it is 8 tag HTML. After that, head. In that head, we write the content of that page, means title of that page. In a body, means which actually contents on display on that web page, that are right in a body tag. Okay, this how to run. Must the internet open with Google Chrome. Display the image. Okay, this is your first question. In a theoretical question, in a practical related question, theoretical questions are there that are completed in that. Extra questions are there. Create the web page with insert the image of your college and use the all attributes of image. Okay. And in exercise question, 3 questions are there. First question, I am giving the display the flower. Sorry. These are the all attributes: height, width, v space, h space, border, alt. These are the attributes. SRC attributes are used. This is the first question. Okay. That second question, open following URL, that is w3school.com, change the source image, adjust the height, width and run the program, check the result. Okay, I am already opened that link. Okay, this is the change the height and width. In that, try yourself, you can go to that tag. Let's change the height and width. For example, I am changing 800. Run it. Change that. This line. means attributes will be changed there. This is your second question. In the third question, open the following URL, click on IMG tab and specify following path in source and give the caption as a India. Okay, I'm already open this also. In that, go to in IMG tag, go giving the what is the http bit.do bit.do. After that, AMT 21. After that, give the enter the description of INDI India. Okay. Okay. Output will be found just like, means India flag will be displayed just like. Give that screenshot on this page. That is your third question. Second question, this is the first question. Means in short, in a first question display the image, in second question change the height and width in that source image code, in that third image only for India flag will be displayed. This is your practical number 20. Result output of this procedure we write after each question. By this practicum I am able to embed the image into web page. Next practical number 21. The 21 practical, in that embed the animation with audio into web page. Means what? In short, in a practical number 20 insert the image, in a practical number 21 insert the audio, and in a practical number 22 insert the video. The practical significances. After that, these are the program outcomes. It is the practical outcome. Develop a web page which shows the animation with the sound effect using any professional HTML editor. In that, these are the three theoretical questions are there, and these are the two exercise questions are there. In practical number 21, Notepad is used because you create the web page. Okay, in that said as the create the new file Notepad. These are the codes are used. In that code they use the add the audio and video code, audio tag and video tag, audio tag for audio program and video tag for video program. Means what is the audio tag? Using two audio tag you display on a web page that audio file. Using through video tag you display the video on that web page. That time which tags are used? Object tag. It defines an embedded object within a HTML document. Use these elements to embed the multimedia, like means using through object tag you add the audio, video, etc. in your web page. Param object, set the autoplay parameters to true, so the sound will start the playing as soon as page loads. Means what is the use of that param object? This through you can play the autoplay parameter will be active, and in that give the value as a true. These are the code. For example, your video will be displayed. Video is like in a WAV file. Okay, and they autoplay giving the name, attribute, and value will be true. Okay, this through you add the audio. These are the practical related question. In that extra questions are giving define audio tag, and these are the exercise question. And also run it. In that first question, this question in short, in through first question display the audio file. Okay, so already I am that created that file .html first ADO1.html. Okay, let edit. This is the HTML code body. In that body, write the ADO tag. Okay, using ADO tag, you display the ADO file. That time to use ADO controls source. In that, pass that ADO file. I am taking one ADO fed.mp3 that are stored in a E drive. Empty practicals. I am showing that in a E drive. In practicals, in that these are the mp3 file. How to check? In the right click, properties, .mp3. Okay, so giving the extension also. This line. Okay, and type, which type of ADO and mp3. So giving the type. Run that. ADO first. Run. How to run that HTML page? Right click, open with any web browser. You already know that. These are already done it. Closing that. The ADO file will be displayed. This line. Okay. After that, second question. Download any animation from YouTube and embed it on the web page using object tag and param tag. Means in short, in a second question, use the object tag and param tag. Okay, you want to any video downloaded it, then done it using through YouTube. Otherwise, giving the sample video, sample ADO. In a second question, object tag is used and param tag is used. That syntax is object in the data, pass that address of that ADO file, and in a param give the name as a autoplay and value in that autoplay. Okay. Save it. After that, open with Google Chrome. That. Okay. The second question. Okay. Is result are the conclusion. By this practical, I am able to embed the animation with ADO into a web page. Means in a web page, how to insert the ADO. This is practical number 21. Next practical number 22. Practical number 22. What is the practical number 22? Aim is that video will be added. Embed the video into the web page. Okay. All of the small practicals are there in a empty. These are the practical related questions. 2 questions are there. I am given some one extra question are there. After that, these are the exercise question. In that same, in the first question, use the video tag, and in a second question, use the object tag and param tag. Okay. This also I am showing that. Already I am done that code in the first video. Editor open, whatever. Okay, in that use the video control, giving that video. I am saving that. Practical number 3, giving the file type is a sample videos are there. Their extension is WMV. How to see that? And go to in properties. Check that. WMV. Okay. And then practical number 1 done. not run, then open with another browser. Video will be displayed. These are the second question, that add the object and param object tag and param tag. That data, pass that address of that video. After that, param name, give the autoplay, and in a value give the true. Okay, these are the two questions are in there. Practical number 22. Number 22. Only for Notepad is used. Practical ready question, extra questions are there. Define video tag. Result, conclusion. By this practical, I am able to embed the video into web page. Summary on that today's practical session, practical number 20, 21, 22. We have completed it. Prepare your practical number 20, 21, 22 in notebook. Here, stop on this practical session. In this practical session, any doubts or arise, then contact with me. Thank you.